Henry was driving along. Come on, let's go! Whee! Hey guys, wanna go for a swim? Yeah, here we go. What a beautiful ocean, what a beautiful day. Whee! Great crap! Dancing, dancing around. Come on, here we go. Yay! I go. Nope. Hello. Hey, it's a turtle. Oh, hello, goodbye. I'm going. Hey, turtle, wait for me. Hello. I am a whale. Wow, that's a big one. Hi. This is a very big whale. Let's go. Whoa, I almost got hit by the whale. Okay, bye. Yeah. Let's get rid of my glasses. Okay. And let's go. Wow, what a beautiful land. Hey, I'm in the jungle. Look at this bird. Coming through. Hey you guys, I'm in the jungle. Did you recognize the birds? Do you know what this kind of bird is? Let me show you. This is a parrot. He can speak after you. Look at this. Hello. 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 Goodbye. Hey. Yeah. Now, hey, look at there's a monkey. Monkeys are very alike as humans. They can do almost the same stuff as we can. Hey, there's the monkey again. Hello, monkey. You wanna play? Let's play. Are you joining, guys? Let's play. We need to play. Here we go. Wow. That's a tiger. Phew. Here I come. Yeah. Wow. We're in the desert. It's very warm in here. Look at the pyramids. Yeah. Wow, guys, I'm on the top of the Pyramid of Giza. It's amazing. It's so high. Hey, whee! Yeah! Wow, that's a nice car. Look out! Coming through! Ooh, that was close. Let's go to the farm. Oh! Hey, this is a cow! The cow gives us milk, and we can make all sorts of stuff from milk. Do you guys drink milk? Wow, these are some nice little piggies. We call them piglets. They're small baby pigs. And they're eating a lot, so they get really fat. Can you also do like a pig? Wow, this is a nice big pig. Look at them. Here we go. Hey, guys. Hey, it's a chicken. Hello, no chicken. Chicken lay eggs. They lay a lot of eggs, sometimes 2 or 3 a day. You can make omelette and scrambled eggs and all other sorts of stuff with eggs in there. Do you love eggs? I do. Hey, chicken, can I have an egg for you? Hello? Hello? No. Okay, to go.
You coming? I love you, monsieur. Come meet my father. I love you. I'm business. I love you, monsieur.
Wow.
You coming?
A princess. I'll be there in a second.
You coming?
Yes. Almost there.
Wow, that's high. How do I get up there?
Do you know?
Yes, I know. I learned my job. You climb.
Oh, great. Wow, that's a long ladder. Okay, here I go.
Come on, you do it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yay. Okay, where do we go now?
Come down.
Wow, this castle is beautiful, and so are you.
Oh, thank you. Papa.
Hello, son. You're here to ask for my daughter's hand?
Very nice. Good looking.
Oh, sir, I just saw your daughter, and she's the most beautiful on earth. I do want to marry her.
Is that so, boy? Are you gonna be good for her? Are you a good lad? Are you alright?
Oh, yes, sir, I promise. I really am.
Okay then.
Papa.
Beloved friends and family, we're here today to declare Henry and Hattie to be a lawful, happy man and wife. And I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
Oh, wow, you guys. I just got married with the most beautiful princess on earth. Hey, if you liked our video, please subscribe and don't miss out